Video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a drill brush attachment set. This is the all-purpose power scrubbing cleaning kit, and it comes with a scrubber brush, scrubber brush, and extended reach, like extension, and it's great for bathtubs, toilets, tiles, carpet, wheels, and glass, believe it or not. And I did open it up and kind of look at it. Let's just open it up and let me show you all the brushes that come in here. You know, you get all these yellow ones right here. And it's kind of like a strong bristle. You know, the bristles feel kind of like a very strong kind of toilet brush in a way. It has a little attachment right here. Let's just go ahead and put the attachment on. This is a Makita 18-volt drill. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to look at that, everybody. Let's go ahead and let's try to use this one right here, because this one is the scrubber. Yeah, it's the big scrubber brush. I'm going to spray it and then I'm just going to scrub it up. So let's go ahead and let's go over to my van. Let's use the scrub brush on the seat and see if it does anything. I have this turtle wax cleaner right here, and you could see how rough this seat. They give you a brush with this thing, but I'm going to put the brush down and I'm just going to spray this turtle wax cleaner down on my seat. Now I'm going to use the brush, and let's see how well this brush does. Pretty easy to use. That's working great. Did a really good job on the seat. Let's try the floor mat. These things work awesome. I highly recommend this drill set. I think I'll be using this on a wide variety of projects going forward. Look how nicely it cleaned up that floor mat. I'm going to go ahead and do all of my vehicles and clean up all of my floor mats with this. So that's it, everybody. That's all I got today on the drill brush set. See you all in the next video.